Bad
Man,
boy.
you take him out
Bad boy,
that
brother.
Under bed.
You're talking about bad boy.
Man, go.
Bad boy will say, oh, Andrew Holness, a government badness. You come like, you know, you credit like when tell you, Andrew Holness. Oh, you're for DC Prime Minister, brother. You go wrong. You're
Man say
low.
dog can't control him, girls. So control him.
The wickedest thing will go on. In other concept, the door. Put fun and joke aside. After me see the video, and brother go on and with him bag of thing and me I say, yeah, dog, we are road. Take the road. I want to know about that COVID or no. Can't make we stay in the house. A minute later, handcuff the dog in him say outside now go inside. They find him under a bed. And that the man there Tony Montana, brother, can't catch him on the corner, but one thing do, he never had no piranha. He don't go under his bed. Better than your bed instead of under your bed.
Yeah, big police, Andrews got host your mama, you can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there. Life me I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is just host. You can't have a control again, you want to control, man. Just host someone. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew in them, since bad man friends to there. We not going up. Don't cloud tonight.
A few minutes later.
Man, this is a big pussy of police.
Alright, come.
Fine.
This place.
So now go in, see man.
See how man see.
Go to the top, Neil, sir.
Look why you on a Lorraine shop, you and not normal.
Eh.
Everyone we get dig up.
Eh.
But them dig up their assault you. Cause me tell you, so the boy go so in a Nilos pants. Hey boy, how you get hand grenade from? Here Nilos, I'm a ball star.
Good, good. 10%, 10%. Down, push up, push up, push up. Down. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, let's go. Next one. Sit up. Come on, come on. Come on, push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself.
Only got one life. One life, only got one life to live. I'm sure me not give him my points. Me still a hold it out, though he rugged and tough. Then try lock me down, but my bossy handcuff. Me get a lot of fight, but me still not give up. Born for make mommy proud, never grow for be no cruff. I no sell me out, so nobody we no trust. And we set the trend, and them a say it tough. Some boy no real knock off, them bogus. Keep eyes on the prize, but me ever focus. You only got one life to live. You know the code. They are going to do the right thing. You hear that? Studio session. And when COVID out and Corona, still have to put in the work. Work never stop. You understand? Music a life journey. And have no boundaries in the top of no man yard. So now is the time for the artists to take the time out, do the right thing, back to the drawing board and do it. You see it? Focus and do the right thing. Steadfast, mates. You hear that? One press, squeeze.
One press, daddy.
Justin Blake channel. Do remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment. You see it? Click the notification, do the right thing.